Too?
Yeah. You know what I do?
What?
I don't poison.
I
I
didn't say
walk
you did.
by the Lord.
Well, I didn't say you did,
Everything
but
I
I said
think-
he told me to get that one because that made me feel where I could eat.
Well, you don't listen to the same Holy Spirit that I'm listening to.
Obviously, we
apparently.
don't. Obviously not.
Because I listen
I'm also,
to the
by the
God
way,
Almighty.
I'm Virgin Mary, by the way, and my sons are Jesus. They both be killed by the disease.
Well, yeah.
I'm very fun.
And the Holy Spirit that I listen to, he tells me to come down here and feed everybody.
Yeah, I know that.
And
That's
I
right.
don't
That's
have
what
no,
that's
and
what you treat everybody the
not
same.
one sandwich, not one thing that I have somewhere else is going to be different.
I have issues in life, and you do too. If I'm uncomfortable with something,
understand.
I still have the right to speak to you if I'm uncomfortable
But
about something.
I'm not
But if
gonna
something makes me,
bend to that.
I did not say that. I said if something makes me uncomfortable, you should be able to listen to that. I did
do
not accuse
listen.
you.
I
I
listen.
said that made me uncomfortable. I said God said this one so I would not feel that way, so I could eat. Okay. If you didn't want to listen to that, I did not blame you. I did not accuse you of poison. If I did, I would not be back there getting food right now, and I would have.
Well, no, but
I would not be here
but
getting
you
food right
showed
now.
your tail that day
Yes,
when
I
you
did.
cooked
Yes, I did, and you
everything
deserved it too.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did, sir.
Because
Yeah,
I-
yes, you did. Yes, you
All
did.
right, well, you're the phone.
Yes, you did.
On the ground.
Yes, you
I
did.
gave it to
You're in
you.
contempt of court.
I give it to you. The Lord gave
You're in
me
contempt
that
of court,
right
sir.
there.
That's simple. The Lord did not. My sons are. No, you did not know. God did, sir.
We just, yes, I know.
No, you don't. You'll see. You'll see. No, you don't. No, I am. Hello, dude. You don't know. You don't know. You've not made it physically. You sitting there arguing with me? Whatever. Your lies is poison, by the way. Lies is poison. You just lied. It's poison. I'm not gonna argue with you. Lies is contempt. Lies is poison. Simple.